Hello, and welcome to Prophecy's Knowledge Base. My name is Sam, and today we'll look at how you can group multiple franchise files in Prophecy to see a complete picture of all the franchises as a whole or individually. Our franchise reporting add-on allows you to easily benchmark financials, run consolidated reports, and access franchise analytics in real time. In order to create a franchise report in Prophecy, you'll first need to make sure that each of the files that are being included in the report have the franchise reporting add-on activated. This can be updated and confirmed in the Manage tab of each individual file, whether it is an MBA, CFO, or enterprise license. Once you've confirmed the files you wish to include in the report have the franchise add-on activated, you can click on Create a Report in the left-hand side of the company list. You'll then start out by selecting the franchise report on the right side and then giving the report a name. After this, you will decide the fiscal year starting month and the default currency you'd like to view the report in. Click Create, and now you'll add the files you want to be included in the report. Now, after choosing which files should be included in the report, you'll then set up a standard chart of accounts in order to ensure accurate reporting. In most cases, you'll select an existing chart of accounts from one of the locations in the franchise report, but just in case, we do offer chart of account templates for a number of industries if needed. If you'd like to follow a step-by-step guide of how to create a standard chart of accounts, please visit our support section under the Advanced Reporting options. Within the franchise report, you will first be brought to a dashboard that is very similar to what is available in the MBA, CFO, or enterprise license. Things like the account history, cash flow, aging receivables and payables, and even our Did You Know section all provide actionable insights at your fingertips. There is also a benchmarking tab where you can compare for performance in KPIs, EBITDA, and profit and loss statements. In the Financials tab, you can view the Analyst, which provides a color-coded and consolidated budget to actual variance report, and other key financial statements, such as the cash flow, profit and loss, and balance sheet. Underneath that is the Budgeting tab. In the Budgeting tab, you can create and monitor a budget for the franchises. The Forecasting tab displays any overdue or upcoming bills and invoices across the group so that you can better manage cash flow. There is also a business valuation tool here that can give you an estimate of what the franchises are worth. Next is the KPI tab, which shows you the consolidated performance of the franchises in a number of different performance metrics. Many of these are pre-populated, but you can also easily edit and create new custom KPIs with non-posting data. The Data Entry tab is where you can enter in any consolidated adjustments and also review that your chart of accounts mapping is correct, and if any changes need to be made, this is where you can do that. If you'd like to enact business strategies, our Scenarios section allows you to create projects with your clients to reduce risk in decision making. The Manage tab enables you to give access to new users, manage their permissions, add in or delete any companies from the report, and change any setting preferences. Last but not least is our Reporting tab. Here you can not only create custom report templates just the way you like them, but you can actually automate them on a schedule to eliminate costly, time-consuming work and provide consistent, reliable financials to each of the franchisees in the group. Our reports can be produced in either Excel or PDF format, and if your business client is the type who wants to learn and take an active approach in the fiscal management of the company, we also offer a white-labeled client dashboard that you can offer them. Here in this dashboard, you can embed a client portal on your website and give them direct access to this dashboard that you can customize for them, ensuring that they're up to date for your next meeting. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about our franchise reporting add-on, please contact your account manager or reach out to us at support@myprophecy.com.